हेलो बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। रविंद्र जडेजा को इस देश में कौन नहीं जानता। एक ऐसे बैट्समैन जो नंबर 6 पे आके टीम को हाई रन्स बना के जीता देते हैं। वो कोहली और शर्मा की तरह हर बार आके स्कोर नहीं करते, बट ओनली व्हेन इट इज़ मोस्ट रिक्वायर्ड ही विल कम, ही विल स्कोर हिज हाई रन्स एंड मेक श्योर इंडिया विन्स। Our product today or our concept today also is very similar to Jadeja. It is not required to perform all the time. Like Mr. Jadeja, it is not a number 1 or a number 2 player, but a number 6 player that will come only when when it is required beyond a particular threshold. India has only 3% people who have any form of health insurance coverage. And amongst people who are insured, most of the insurance amounts are so less that it might not cover all instances of hospitalization. So what do? Do you keep increasing your insurance cover because inflation is at a good 10% level? Do you keep increasing your insurance amounts, which means that you keep paying increasing amounts of premium every year? No, that's not the answer. The answer is simple, and it is something called as super top-up. It's a low-cost insurance solution which covers high hospitalization bills or high mediclaim costs at a nominal premium. So let's get to know a little more about it. So conceptually, super top-up is nothing but a low-cost insurance product which gets triggered only beyond a particular threshold. Say my threshold is 3 lakhs, then every time my hospitalization bill is within 3 lakhs, my base policy is expected to pay that hospitalization bill. And every time my hospitalization bill is beyond 3 lakhs is when my super top-up is supposed to be kicking in. So you have to be very, very sure of the threshold amount that you want to choose, and you also have to be sure that the threshold amount will be adequately serviced by the existing insurances that you have. A note for your existing insurances is that you also should look that your existing base policy should be 100% comprehensive and should cover all cases of hospitalization as and what is required by you. If you have maternity expectations, then make sure that is covered. If you have senior citizen related expectations, make sure that is covered. If you have any planned surgery related expectations, make sure that is covered. Make sure your base policy or your threshold level policy is a comprehensive policy and it covers everything, because that is what is going to be paying for 95% of your hospitalization occurrences. Now let's talk about super top-up. Now for the other 5% of your hospitalization expenses, which will essentially be all costs that are beyond the threshold, something called a super top-up will get triggered. Super top-up is not a comprehensive plan, but it is a plan. It's a bare insurance policy which will basically cover your room rent charges, daycare policies, daycare surgeries, but it will only get triggered beyond your threshold, and it's a low cost product, which means that it will that the premium that you will be paying for super top-up will be less. Like I said, it's not a Kohli or a Sharma, but it's a Jadeja, and it will do its work only when it's required to do so, but it will do it well, and it will make sure that no burden comes on you, no matter what the hospitalization bill is. Let's take an example to understand this a little more clearly. Let us take an example of Mr. Nitin, who has two policies of 5 lakhs and 15 lakhs. His 5 lakh policy is a base policy that is expected to pay for all of his hospitalization instances, and his 15 lakh policy is a super top-up policy, which obviously will get triggered only when the hospitalization bill is beyond 5 lakh. So in this case, Mr. Nitin has selected 5 lakh as his threshold amount. let us assume that in a period of 5 years, Mr. Nitin gets hospitalized. Mr. Nitin and his family members who are covered in his policy get hospitalized thrice, and the bill amounts are 4 lakh, 3 lakh, and 10 lakh. Now, in the first two cases, where the bill amounts were less than 5 lakh, his base policy was enough to cover his hospitalization bills. But in the third case, where the bill amount was more than 5 lakh, his super top-up policy will get triggered, and his bill will still be and his insurance will still take care of the majority portion of his hospitalization cost, and ultimately the burden on his personal finance will not be much of the hospitalization occurrences that he's had in the 5 years. We also should note that the premium of his 15 lakh policy will be far lesser than the premium of his 5 lakh base policy. This is because insurance companies work with something called as average claim size and average claim frequency. Your claim frequency essentially is the total number of claims, and the claim size is the value of a particular claim, the average size of a claim. So most insurance companies have an average claim size of less than 5 lakhs, and your 99% of your claims will be less than 5 lakh. Hence, because the frequency of your claim amount being more than 5 lakhs is very, very less, the pricing of super top-up policies are very, very nominal. How do you buy? You can go and do your research on various aggregator websites like policybazaar.com, PolicyX, coverfox.com. Look at the various companies that offer super top-up, do a price feature comparison, look at the brands, look at the claim settlement ratios, look at how long they've been present in the Indian market, and so on and so forth. Do your research before you buy. The price of super top-up is very, very nominal, and it starts from as low as 500 rupees depending on what's your threshold amount and what's your sum insured and location and age. But make sure you select the right threshold amount, because like I said, all your 95% of your claims will be paid by your base policy, which is essentially your threshold policy. So make sure you select the right threshold. But once you've done that, go to the aggregator website, look, compare, and then buy a nice super top-up. Super top-up essentially is made for the Indian market, because as Indians, we all want more for less. We like bragging about the discounts that we got, the money that we saved, so yeah, it really helps, and it really suits the Indian mindset. If I've forgotten something, do make sure you mention it in the comment section. If you like the content, please do share it with your family and your friends, and do subscribe to the channel to keep getting regular updates on health insurance and personal finance. Have a great day, guys. Keep learning and stay safe.